The session layer is one of the most difficult layers to define for networking professionals because, again, we really don't care very much about the session layer. We don't really do anything with it, but we should learn a little bit about it. First of all, realize that some protocols, such as TCP, which is a layer 4 protocol, and Telnet, which is a layer 7 protocol, require that a session be established prior to data transfer. Now, not all protocols do. UDP, for example, does not, but certainly TCP does, and we'll learn what those are later on in the course. So since a session is required to be established, we would consider the session layer the place where that's done. Other protocols require some sort of authentication, some sort of proving that this device is who it says it is, or that the person is who they say they are, prior to connection, and so these would also be considered session layer functions. Now, the protocol data unit for the session is still data. We haven't started to segment it up yet, and some of the protocols that we might put in the session layer, although again, remember that some references might not put these in the session layer, but here are a few. NFS, which is the network file system. Again, we need that file system, right? Because we need a connection established in order to transfer files. PPTP and L2TP, which are transport protocols, and point-to-point transport protocol, and L2, which actually stands for Layer 2 transport protocol. So interesting that we would put it in Layer 5, but some references do, and some put it in Layer 2. SCP, which actually stands for Session Control Protocol. Well, that one most clearly would go in the session layer. So those are some of the protocols we might put here in this layer.